Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the first chapter of class 9 maths, real number. Real number. But before going to start this chapter, first we have to memorize in our mind that what are the different classification of numbers. So first we have to look here what are the classification of numbers or number system. Number system is classified in two groups. They are real number and the second is imaginary or complex number. Imaginary or complex number. Real number. Any number whose square is positive, is called real number. Or a group of rational and irrational number is called real number. For example, root 5 is a real number, 5 by 7 is a real number, root 5 by 3 is a real number, minus 3 by 4 is a real number, and 0 is also a real number. These are some examples of real number. Now imaginary or complex number. Any number whose square is not a positive number. Positive number is called imaginary or complex number. Complex number, for example, under root minus 5 is a complex number, 7 plus under root minus 3 is a complex number. These are some examples of complex or imaginary number. Imaginary number are represented by Z. This Z is equal to A plus IB, where A representing the real part of complex number and B representing the imaginary part of complex number. For example, under root minus 5, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to under root 5. We have to always remember that I is equal to under root minus 1. Okay. Now we are not going to very depth in imaginary or complex number because that we have to study in our senior classes. So we have to look at what are the different classifications of real number. Now real number. Real number is classified in two groups. These are the rational number and the second is irrational number. Now, rational number. First we have to look how the rational numbers become, how the rational number word derived. Rational word is derived from ratio. So we can write the definition of rational number. Any number that we can represent in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and one condition here, q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0 is called rational number. Is called rational number. For example, minus 5 is a rational number, 3 is a rational number, 4 by 7 is also a rational number, minus 9 by 5 is also a rational number, and 0 is also a rational number. These are some examples of rational number. Rational number is generally represented by the letter Q. Rational number is represented by the letter Q, that means quotient. Now irrational number. Any number that we cannot represent in the form of P by Q is called irrational number. Irrational number. For example, under root 5, 7 plus root 3, 7 by or 7 root 5, etc. These all are example of irrational number. Now further, rational number is also classified in different parts. So we have to look here what are the different parts of rational number. Rational number. Rational number is classified in many groups. The very first is natural number, that we have already studied in our earlier classes. All counting numbers. All counting numbers are called natural number. Natural numbers. Natural numbers, they are represented by n, or we can also say that n represent the collection of all natural numbers. Next part of the rational number is whole number. Whole number. Natural numbers all natural numbers including with 0 are called whole numbers. All natural numbers including with 0 are called whole numbers. They are represented by whole numbers are represented by W. Okay. Now next, integers. 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 All natural numbers and their negatives. Their negatives are including with 0, including with 0 are called integers. Are called integers. Integers are represented by Z, that means Zahlen. That is a German word. It's a German word. That means to count. To count. Now the next part of the rational number is even number. Even number. What are even number? So any number that we can write, that we represent in the form of 2m, where m is a natural number, m is a natural number, is called even number. Is called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are some examples of even number. Any number that we can represent in the form of 2m, where m is a natural number, is called even number. Now next, the odd number. Next part of the rational number is odd number. Now the next is odd number. Any number that we can represent in the form of 2m minus 1, where m is a natural number, is called odd number. For example, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. These all are example of odd number. After the odd number, the next type of rational number is prime number. The next type of rational number is prime number. Prime number, a number that is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These all are the example of prime numbers. The next type of rational number is composite number. A number that is divisible by another number leaving 1 and itself is called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 9, 8, 10, 15. These all are example of composite number. So this is the introduction of real numbers. In my next video, we will discuss the first exercise of NCERT of lesson 1. Thank you for watching.